Welcome to week 25, assignment 3. So this week we will be doing typing. So what I want you to do is I want you to take 2 typing tests, but on different sites, and I want you to compare them. And then give me your feeling about why you do differently. So what you will do is you'll just go in here. You have to take your first test at typing.com. And then the second one at typingtest.com, like you always do. And then once you have taken it, you can take it as many times as you want. Remember, this is for you, not for me. I have no way of checking that you are actually typing this fast. However, when you are done, you need to copy and paste the sentence into the submission and fill it in. So basically, my fastest speed was what on typing test was what on typing.com, and which one of them were harder and why. So it could be something like there were more capital letters, I didn't know the words, it was new, whatever it is that you can tell me why one was harder than the other. If you get exactly the same or really close to the same, just say they were both the same difficulty. All right, so that is what assignment 3 is. If you need anything, let me know. And if not, I hope to see you soon.